Looking for the best 4K monitors to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Acer KG272K is our fifth pick, but it's still a great budget-friendly option. It offers sharp 4K visuals with vibrant colors, thanks to its IPS panel and 99% sRGB color coverage, making games and media look detailed and lifelike. With a 60 Hz refresh rate and 4 milliseconds response time, it handles casual gaming smoothly. It also supports AMD FreeSync, which helps prevent screen tearing during fast action. The HDR10 support improves contrast and color depth, although the peak brightness isn't high enough for full HDR immersion. The 178-degree wide viewing angles keep the image quality consistent from any position, and the anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections in bright rooms. The built-in 2W speakers provide basic sound, and the tilt adjustment lets you find a comfortable viewing angle for long sessions. While the minimum brightness might make it less ideal for dark rooms, its adaptive sync and sharp 3840 by 2160 resolution make it a solid choice for an entry-level 4K gaming monitor. Number 4. GIGABYTE M27U. The M27U delivers a smooth 160 Hz refresh rate at 4K resolution, making it ideal for high-end gaming. Its HDMI 2.1 ports fully support modern consoles, while the IPS panel ensures vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. The monitor's KVM switch allows seamless control of multiple devices, adding versatility for mixed-use setups. With low input lag and a 1 millisecond response time, motion clarity remains sharp during fast-paced gameplay. Color accuracy is impressive out of the box, and the dedicated sRGB mode caters to content creators. However, HDR performance falls short due to limited contrast and ineffective local dimming, leaving highlights muted. Built-in USB-C with 18-watt power delivery and a hub with multiple ports enhance connectivity, though the stand lacks swivel adjustment. While not perfect for HDR enthusiasts, the M27U excels as a balanced 4K gaming display. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey Neo G8. The Samsung Odyssey Neo G8 delivers an exceptional 4K gaming experience with its groundbreaking 240 Hz refresh rate, combining ultra-smooth motion with crisp detail. Its mini LED backlight featuring 1,196 local dimming zones produces striking contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant HDR highlights, achieving up to 2000 nits peak brightness for lifelike visuals. The 1000 curved VA panel enhances immersion while maintaining strong static contrast, outperforming traditional IPS screens. Gamers benefit from HDMI 2.1 compatibility for console 4K per 120 Hz support, FreeSync VRR to eliminate tearing, and remarkably low input lag under 3 milliseconds at peak refresh rates. Motion clarity excels thanks to rapid pixel response times, though minor inverse ghosting occurs during lower frame rate transitions. The 32-inch screen provides ample workspace for multitasking, backed by sharp text rendering and wide color coverage spanning 95% of the DCI-P3 spectrum. While lacking USB-C connectivity, its robust gaming focus shines through features like customizable black equalizer settings and multiple gaming-oriented display modes. Number 2. Acer Predator X32 X3. This is our runner-up pick and delivers exceptional clarity and responsiveness with its 31.5-inch 4K OLED panel, combining a 240 Hz refresh rate and a near-instantaneous 0.03 millisecond response time. Its dual-mode functionality dynamically switches between 4K resolution for sharp visuals and 1080p at 480 Hz for ultra-smooth competitive gaming, ensuring fluid motion in fast-paced titles. The OLED technology provides infinite contrast in true blacks, enhanced by Visa Display HDR True Black 400 certification, making HDR content pop with vibrant colors and precise highlights up to 1000 nits. Coverage of 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut ensures rich, accurate hues ideal for both gaming and creative work. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility eliminates screen tearing, while the inclusion of HDMI 2.1 ports supports next-gen consoles and high-bandwidth PC connections. The 90-watt USB-C power delivery simplifies cable management for laptops, and the built-in KVM switch allows seamless control of multiple devices. Motion handling excels in both resolution modes, with 1080p offering razor-sharp text clarity during high-speed action and 4K maintaining detail in cinematic scenes. The monitor's per-pixel dimming eliminates blooming artifacts, creating a pristine image even in dark environments. With ergonomic adjustability and flicker-free technology, it balances long gaming sessions with visual comfort, solidifying its position as a top-tier choice for enthusiasts seeking uncompromising performance. Number 1. LG 32GS95UE. This is the best 4K monitor you can get when comparing it on price to performance and stands out with its innovative dual-mode refresh rate, letting gamers instantly switch between crystal-clear 4K visuals at 240Hz and ultra-smooth 1080p performance at 480Hz. Its 32-inch OLED panel delivers exceptional contrast with true blacks and vibrant colors, enhanced by Display HDR True Black 400 certification for striking highlights in supported games. The near-instantaneous 0.03 millisecond response time eliminates ghosting, while FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility ensure tear-free gameplay across both PC and consoles. The matte anti-glare coating maintains visibility in bright rooms, and the 1300 nit peak brightness in HDR mode brings out fine details without compromising shadow depth. Connectivity options like HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 future-proof the monitor for next-gen hardware, while the unique Pixel sound system projects audio directly from the screen for spatial awareness in competitive titles. Though primarily designed for high-fidelity gaming, the 140 pixels per inch density makes text sharp for productivity tasks. While the built-in speakers lack bass depth, the monitor's seamless switching between cinematic and competitive modes makes it versatile for gamers who demand both visual fidelity and responsiveness. So that sums up my top 5 4K monitors I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.